Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It has been a pleasure to come here and visit the Ministry of Islamic Affairs. And I do apologize, and I do also thank the Minister for taking the time on the weekend to meet with me. I was quite impressed with the work and the level, the advanced level of the Ministry of Islamic Affairs in preserving the identity, the Islamic identity of the Maldivian people. We did discuss how to take our relations steps forward in fatwa and the Supreme Council for Fatwa, in the training of imams, in strengthening the Arabic language. There is a lot we can do together. However, we do look forward to looking at the tolerance of Islam and to organize a conference on the tolerance of Islam. Again, I cannot come to the Maldives without visiting the Ministry of Islamic Affairs, and it's been always a pleasure, and it has been an honor to meet with the Minister, Dr. Mohamed Shaheem, as the first Minister in the new cabinet that I had the honor to meet. Thank you very much.